In this dashboard, I got a map on the right hand side here, and it already comes with the default mouse over label. You can see the country and the measure value of the revenue for each country here. It's actually what we call a row member and its value, and row member is because in the crosstab behind my countries are actually represented as rows. So what if we would like to add some additional labels to this map? Let's go into design mode and have a look at properties for the map here. And on the labels tab here, we can see that the mouse over is this row member and value, while the labels itself being put on top of the countries is currently none. But we can change it into measure values like this to see something as we see here in the preview. We can even go with the hashtag to change the number format, maybe standard 2 decimals and this automatic abbreviation of the data, and it'll look like this. And we can also change the font type here, so maybe we'd like to go with 14 bold on this one, and once we click OK, it will look like this in the dashboard itself. Alright, so let's turn the attention to the cross tab in the upper left corner here, this one with the revenue per item groups. If we change the object type to, let's say, a pie chart like this, well, we immediately get a pie chart with these labels. Let's just maximize it. So the labels are just the revenue measure values per segment here. But again, we could go into properties and change those labels. Instead of just a measure value, we could try out with a percent. So these percentages are 100% in total, shirts almost 15% of that revenue. We can also do a member and percent, and you can see that a member means the dimension members, jeans, shirts, t-shirts, and underwear. The mouse over here is not very helpful because that's just the dimension member or row member name. What about if we just put in the measure value? In this way we can have a percentage presentation and a full measure value presentation at the same time, as you see here in the preview. The legend over here, we really don't need that because we put in the item group names as part of my labels. So the legend, which is currently set to show, we can safely set that to hide. So OK on that, and restore it. I'll maybe go back to consumer mode. We got our dashboard like this, and of course we can use the drill down functionality looking at shirts. And Justin Cartwright apparently only selling things in Italy, Luke Paul Wyman in many more countries.